So, Google's Pixel 9a is expected to launch next month, but ahead of its official unveiling, an alleged hands-on video has surfaced online, offering an early look at the device. This leak reveals potential design changes and key details about Google's upcoming budget-friendly smartphone. The video, shared by user Shane Craig on Threads, provides a close-up view of the Pixel 9a's build. The footage suggests that the phone features a plastic back panel, likely a cost-cutting measure to keep it affordable. The frame appears to be made of aluminum, with visible antenna lines indicating a sturdy yet lightweight design. One of the biggest design shifts seems to be in the camera module. Unlike previous Pixel A series models that featured a raised camera bar, the Pixel 9a appears to sport a pill-shaped camera bump that sits nearly flush with the back panel. The dual-camera setup is positioned horizontally toward the left side, with an LED flash placed on the right. This layout marks a departure from Google's traditional camera design, making the Pixel 9a stand out from its predecessors. The leaked unit is shown in a matte black finish, which Google may brand as Obsidian. The classic Google logo remains centered on the back, maintaining the company's signature minimalist aesthetic. While the video does not show the phone's display, previous leaks suggest the Pixel 9a will feature symmetrical bezels and a hole-punch cutout for the front-facing camera. According to reports, pre-orders for the Pixel 9a could begin on March 19th, with official sales kicking off on March 26. Pricing is rumored to start at $499 for the 128GB storage variant, positioning it as a competitive mid-range option. In terms of camera hardware, the Pixel 9a is expected to house a dual-lens system consisting of a 48-megapixel primary sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. On the battery front, leaks indicate a 5100 mAh capacity, with support for 23 watts wired charging and 7.5 watts wireless charging, potentially offering improved battery life compared to its predecessor. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 9a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.